How to delete WhatsApp messages for everyone after a long time. In order to do so, you may follow up the simple step. Open up WhatsApp, and then after opening up WhatsApp, you may head over the chat in which you would like to delete the old message. So what you can do is simply open up the chat and locate up the message that you would like to delete. For example, this message right here. So all you gotta do, what you can do is simply long press on the message. And after doing so, at the top, you should be finding different options. Look for the delete option. After that, here you'll be finding a pop-up. So all you gotta do is simply tap on the message called delete for everyone, like this. And then after that is done, click on OK. And once you do, that is how you basically delete messages for everyone, even after a long time. So that's it for now. You may follow this method. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.